So how can we make an extra $200 a month with our Fuxion business? This is really a simple way to do it. And for $200 a month, you think, oh, this is 2016. What's the big deal about $200 extra dollars a month? Well, it is kind of a big thing because you would need $80,000 in the bank at 3% interest to generate at least $200 a month in income. So that's a pretty big deal. So whether it's helping with your car payment, helping with the student loan, helping with the energy bill, whatever it is, $200 a month is a big improvement to your monthly cash flow. What I really want to do is how simple this is, because we're going to build a lot of team members and we're going to have a lot of customers, but really you only need about 10 to make the $200. I did the averages of the retail cost of our products versus the wholesale cost that we get them, and the average of all the combinations is about $12 product per box. So if you sold one customer 2 boxes, of course that's 2 times 12, 24 bucks. So if we were able to get 10 customers on board that month after month ordered 2 boxes of product, we're going to add up to that $200 a month. That should be very simple, because as Pia just told us about these Fuxion products, how incredible they are. They are right now products, 4 different categories: nutraceuticals, weight loss, athletic performance, anti-aging, and a whole categories of, if you're watching any TV, if you're riding in your car and listen to the radio, listen for these words about all the advertisements, the billions and billions of dollars that have been spent on how to increase your energy, how to concentrate, how to boost your immune system, how to relax and focus, how to detox, do some weight loss, fat burners, improve digestion. Goodness gracious, there's every other advertisement is about on antacids type of thing. Block carbs, block sugars, probiotics, increased energy, joint issues, hormonal balance, maximum athletic performance and recovery, maximum circulatory performance, and looking younger. This covers about 99% of the advertisement that you'll hear in print media, on TV, and on the radio. Just listen for these buzzwords as you're going throughout your daily business for anybody who's complaining with these type of issues. Weight loss in itself. It's a $60 billion industry. 1 billion people in this world are obese. That's almost a crazy, crazy number. And here in the United States, we are ground zero for the fake foods and the unhealthy foods. And we've been in this exercise mode since the mid-'80s with Jane Fonda and her workout and everything. And we're getting worse instead of better. But with these products, we can help people get better. So do you think you could really find 10 people who want to lose an extra few pounds? Sounds like a crazy question, but we actually make it more difficult on ourselves. So what we really need to do is open up our eyes, open up our ears, and really listen to these people who are struggling to lose a couple extra pounds, because we have a solution. There's also 50 million people who suffer from arthritis. That doesn't even count the millions of people who have tennis elbow like I do, or joint issues from playing sports their whole career. This is a huge, huge marketplace. We can help people decrease their joint pain, we can help them maintain healthy joints, and we can help them increase their mobility. To be able to help people to do that is an incredible thing that we should be telling everyone who has these issues about these products. How about the energy drink industry? Multi-billion-dollar industry, Red Bull, Monster, Rockstar, Amp, all these great companies with huge, huge budgets trying to get us to drink more and more of their product. But are they really healthy for us? We can offer increased energy, improved mental focus without the jitters, with a product that is healthy and less expensive. How cool is that? We just got to keep our ears open for these consumers. This is really a staggering statistic. 1 person dies of heart disease every 30 seconds in the United States. 1 person dies of heart disease every 30 seconds in the United States. So does that imply to you that we're all being as healthy as we possibly can? I don't think so. It's the #1 killer since 1900. Only in 1918, when they had the epidemic, did that number not be reached. Over $10 billion spent on statin drugs in itself just to lower cholesterol. We want to get people healthier, start eating, drinking products that make them healthier, and really get this number down. Do you think you know 10 people who can increase their health benefits by using our products? So how many people do you know like to lose some weight, decrease their joint pain, increase their energy level, prevent colds and sniffles with immune boosters, maintain a healthy heart, sleep better, look younger? These are all basic things that we are struggling for every day, and we have the solution. So my challenge for you is to set your goal, get 10 new preferred customers, and then you'll be able to make easily over $200 a month. Just like any goal setting, we've all been through these classes before. Write it down, set a deadline. I propose that we set 10 new preferred customers by the end of August, and just talking to people, and getting 10 new preferred customers. Make a list of everything you are going to have to do to achieve this goal. So that means how many phone calls, how many text messages, how many Fuxion apps, zapping your app out are we going to do, how many emails, how many home meetings. Organize that list into a plan to make this happen for you, and take action immediately. This is not something we put all the products in our cupboard, we let them sit there, and all these great solutions have needs out into the marketplace, and we're not telling people about it. So we need to take action immediately. So let's resolve to do something every day that makes you move toward your goal. 10 customers, easy. Set the deadline by August, end of August, easy. All this stuff is really easy stuff that we need to improve on. So let's summarize that just a little bit. You got to decide exactly what you want. I challenge to get 10 new preferred customers within 30 days. Write it down, set a deadline, make a list of everything you're going to have to do to achieve that goal, organize the list into a plan, take action immediately, and resolve to do something every day to make that plan happen. Again, 10 customers by the end of August, not a huge challenge, but a challenge that I offer to everyone to take advantage of. What this is going to do is also, besides keeping your eyes and ears open, is it's going to help you create your own product story. Because there's no way you're going to be able to tell anybody how much Vita Energy helps them improve their energy if you're not taking it yourself. There's no way you could say passion is really working for the Keep the Fires Burning program unless you've tried it yourself. So you need to be able to experience your story, video it, write it down, share it on Facebook, your experiences, and share it with the world. Also encourage everyone to get a workout partner for this challenge, because if you do, you'll be able to keep each other accountable for your goals during this process. My 5 hot tips for making your own product story is get a weight loss, joint pain relief, no colds or sniffles, healthier cholesterol levels, more energy story, smoother skin, looking younger story, passion story, whatever it is. Find your story and find it quick. These are right now products, so some of them take a little bit longer to get in your system and improve, but some of them are right now products as well that you could really create a story. Take Vita Energy tonight at midnight, and you've already created your story, because you were not going to sleep till 3 o'clock in the morning. So one of the best ways to, like I said, tell everyone about your new story and have more home meetings. This is where you're going to get most of your customers, is do the home meeting strategy, the grand opening 2 or 3 times in the first 14 days, and then occasionally after that as well. Invite 30 people over to your house. 7 or 8 are going to swear they're coming. 4 to 6 will actually be there. 2 or 3 people will join your business. Some as business leaders and product consumers, and some just product consumers. But you can get a whole list of new customers with just product consumers at your home meetings. And then you can either sell them as a preferred customer in the back office, go in as join as a preferred customer, or you can sell them some of your extra inventory when you order 1 or 2 boxes of each. Say, look, I need Vita Energy, it's out in my car, let me go get you a box, and just make that a preferred customer right there. Also, this helps multiply the stories. If we had each one in the audience here today to go get 10 preferred customers, they're going to start creating their own product story as well. So all of a sudden you got exponential growth within the communities that are experiencing these all natural, no sugar, no GMO, no preservatives product from the great Amazon. This is really a simple strategy that really stabilizes this whole business model, because in my previous company, if I had all 122,000 people on my team who just ordered one box of product a month, that would be an amazing amount of volume created, an amazing amount of commissions created for everyone on the team. So this strategy, although it sounds simple, only $200 a month, only 10 preferred customers, is really powerful when you expand it over the next 10 years on your team. This is what really stabilizes your business model and keeps commissions from going like this. You have a basis of business every single month, and that's what we like. Plus, they help expand your business model because they're going to tell friends who tell friends who tell friends about their experiences and their product stories as well. And where do they buy the product? They can't go on any street corner and buy it. They have to buy it from you. That's how wonderful this whole system is going to work. Oops, can you hit that? So the next thing is use your own products in public every single day. Create curiosity. If you're getting ready to go out the house, putting in your product, go to water, wait till you get to the restaurant, order a glass of water, put it in, everyone around you will be curious about what you're having there. Have samples and materials in your car, in your briefcase, whatever. Nobody carries briefcases anymore, but you can't put it in your tablet. Do something, but carry it with you every single day, so that when you run into somebody at the gym, and you run into somebody at the office, you run into somebody as you're doing your errands throughout the day, you want to have a sample pack with you. Of course, you're going to have 4 or 5 of your favorite samples. You're going to have your business card, you're going to have your brochure, and you're going to have a hard application in that sample pack that we're ready to give out. So the summary for this little challenge is for your long-term business success, the products are the most important variable. You don't have to have 20 years of experience in this network marketing business to be able to tell people that, hey, I lost 20 pounds. We have people that will be here on Saturday that can tell you they lost 18 pounds in the first couple of weeks, doing nothing different but taking these products. You don't need to be a doctor to tell people you didn't get a cold last year. This is a product story that people can relate to and they can relate to quickly. You don't have to be a salesman to be able to tell people, hey, my joints no longer hurt. I've been playing tennis for 30 years. I've always had a rough knee here, but these products, and within 3 or 4 or 5 days, the Flex T will help you get rid of that joint issue. So the only skill you need is to be able to tell your product story in a compelling and believable way to build a loyal customer database. So let's go do it. Thanks, guys.